Well, now we are going to produce the video of the calculation for a specific region. So the first step is to open Scillab. That's what we have right here. We have in Scillab, the first step is always to change the current directory. So we're going to select the folder that we need. In this case, in my computer is located here. So in this folder, I know that there are all my files. We execute SciPath. And then we open the file Snail FEM Scillab. This is finite element methods for snails. So here we have the coordinates, the vertices, the triangles, and then we have the initial conditions. The initial conditions are entered here. This is the vertex number or node number, and this is the value of the initial condition at that node. In this case, we're going to leave this, but if we needed a different value, that would be changed here. If we needed initial conditions in more vertices, we would enter each one of the vertices as we have them here. What is the vertex number? It is the same vertex number that you have here and here. Okay, once you have entered initial conditions, you go to the Scillab console, which is right here, and then you write exec for execute, as the shortcut for execute, and the file name snail _fem.sce. Hit enter, and then you should see some numbers. Okay, at this point, and then what you will see is, depending on the triangulation that you have, you will observe a lot of 50 images that we will use in a moment to create a video. So we stop right here again. We trim this. After all the images have been created, we go to the folder psgraphic, which is located as a subfolder where the Snail FEM Scillab is located. That folder has to be created manually, but once it has been created, we observe that a significant number, 50 EPS files, are there. Then we have to execute the program EPS to jpg.bat. So let's do it now, and we will see. What it does is it takes each one of the EPS graphics and converts those into JPG graphics. We need to do this step because after we have all the JPEGs, we're going to start Movie Producer and use all those images. So it has been done now. Now we're going to execute Windows Movie Maker. This is a standard Windows product, should come with any Vista and XP versions. We can select all the JPEGs from Windows Explorer. Once you have selected, you can just drop these 50 images into Movie Maker. After you have entered all the images, it reads 1.eps, but actually is 1.eps.jpg. That's exactly what it just appended the extension JPEG to EPS. So let's go to Movie Maker. What we have to do here now is go to Tools, Options. In the Advanced tab, we're going to select the transition duration to 0.25 seconds. You can set it to a lower value if you want a quicker video, but 0.25 seems to be okay. And the picture duration, well, you can set it with these exact values that we have here. We hit OK. Then we select all the videos, and we're going to drag them into the timeline where it says Video Drag Media here. We just release them, and at this point all the images have been put together or being put together for a video. This process could take a few seconds. It has been done now. And once it has been done, we can execute the video or play the video. And that's exactly what we see here. Very good. Once we know that the video is working properly, we go to File, Publish Movie, select this computer, select a location, and the location could be any location, but we're going to use the same location as before. And then we can select a meaningful name. For example, test movie. And then we select more settings and make sure that this is in AVI format. Now we publish. And once it's published, the video is available as a one single file. So we have produced all the videos that we needed. This finishes the tutorial.